Hi, welcome to Run Deals. Today I have a great product to share with you. This right here, you guys, is a tracking bracket. It has a human recognition system that it can track a person in 360 degrees horizontally. It is suitable for most mobile devices, and the best part, you guys, is that you don't require any app to control it. To make it work, all you're gonna do is just press and hold the power button, and there you go. The number displayed in the front, that will be the charging battery amount. And to charge it, of course, you're gonna find this Type-C USB cable included in the package. So this product, guys, also has a gesture control. So if you do okay like that, it will begin to track. And if you do stop with the palm of your hand, it will stop tracking. How cool that is. This product is perfect for blogs, live streaming, and video calls. Perfect for social media apps. So guys, go to Run Deal mobile app to access the deal. I'll see you next time. Bye.